Welcome to Backlog Refinement Mastery. This comprehensive course will teach you how to effectively prepare and organize your product backlog. Throughout these slides, you'll learn the fundamental concepts, best practices, and practical techniques used by successful Agile teams. By the end, you'll be able to refine backlogs with confidence and clarity. Backlog refinement is the process of reviewing and improving items in your product backlog before they are ready for development. It involves clarifying requirements, breaking down large items into smaller ones, and estimating the effort needed. This activity ensures your team always has clear, well-defined work ready to pull into the next sprint. Refinement is crucial because it saves time during sprint planning and reduces surprises during development. When backlog items are clearly defined and estimated, your team can work more efficiently. It also helps prevent scope creep, improves team collaboration, and ensures everyone understands what needs to be built. Several key people are involved in backlog refinement. The product owner drives priorities and explains requirements. Developers provide technical insights and effort estimates. The Scrum Master facilitates discussions and keeps the team focused. Stakeholders and users may participate to provide context and feedback. Together, these roles ensure the backlog is well-prepared and achievable. The refinement process follows a structured approach. First, the product owner presents and prioritizes backlog items. Next, the team discusses and clarifies requirements for each item. Then, developers estimate the effort required using story points or time estimates. Finally, the team confirms which items are ready for the next sprint. This cycle repeats continuously throughout the project. User stories are the foundation of good backlog items. A user story describes a feature from the perspective of the end user. The standard format is : as a specific type of user, I want to perform an action so that I achieve a goal. User stories should be focused on delivering value, not just technical tasks. They help the team understand the why behind the work. Acceptance criteria are the specific conditions that must be met for a user story to be considered complete. They define what done means for that particular item. Good acceptance criteria are clear, testable, and measurable. Examples include functionality requirements, performance standards, or user interface specifications. They prevent misunderstandings and ensure quality deliverables. Estimation is a critical part of refinement. Story points are a popular method that measures relative complexity rather than absolute time. The Fibonacci sequence is commonly used for story point values: 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. Another approach is time-based estimation, measured in hours or days. The key is consistency and transparency in how your team estimates. Teams often face challenges during refinement. Requirements may be unclear or change frequently. Estimating accurately is difficult, especially for new technologies. Stakeholder involvement can be inconsistent. Some items may be too large to estimate effectively. The solution is to maintain clear communication, break down large items, involve the right people, and practice your estimation process regularly. Using templates helps maintain consistency in your backlog. A basic template includes the user story statement, acceptance criteria, and definition of done. For example, as a product owner, I want to validate if a feature is viable. As a developer, I need clear acceptance tests. As a tester, I require defined exit criteria. Templates ensure nothing is missed and everyone understands expectations. Concrete examples make refinement easier for your team. Consider a story about adding a search feature or improving checkout speed. Each example should show a complete user story with multiple acceptance criteria and clear success metrics. Templates for different story types, like bug fixes, features, or technical tasks, help maintain quality across your backlog. You now understand the fundamentals of backlog refinement. Remember the key takeaways. Regular refinement improves team velocity, clear user stories reduce rework, and acceptance criteria prevent misunderstandings. Apply a consistent refinement cadence across your team. Use templates and criteria to improve reliability. Practice these techniques in your next sprint, and you'll see immediate improvements in your development process.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.